What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. And today we're going to work on mirrors. So I kind of got my placement mounted, measured out on both sides. That's where they're going to go. So we're going to show you, it's pretty simple process on how to do it just from the instructions. But yeah, I'm going to mount these mirrors up, and once I get the holes drilled and everything, you know, these are getting painted. So, yeah, I need to paint them. But yeah, that's gonna be a quick video. There are some things in the works. There's a reason why I'm only doing very small things right now on this build. Once things are confirmed, I'll share with you guys. But stay tuned. Things are probably gonna get really, really cool really soon. But today we're just gonna work on mirrors. Welcome back, guys. So, as you guys saw, I fucked up. But it's not as bad as I thought. So, there is 3 holes under here now when there's only supposed to be 2. Because what I didn't account for was this. I dug into this. So the good news is that can be filled up with either body fill or panel bond. Even better news, there's a weather seal that goes over that. So I just need to fill the hole and it won't be seen. So for people that are watching my channel and learning from mistakes, when you mount your mirror, pay attention to where the hole is on the back side. I did not. Luckily, this was the first one, so I know not to do that on the second one. But yeah, let's go hop on the other side. Other than that, I mean, placement looks amazing. And honestly, once it's cinched down with this gasket, there's not going to be a hole, and I can even put a little bit of panel bond to seal that up. So, score. Alright, stay tuned. Let me hop on the other side and get this done. Welcome back, guys. So, it's done. I just need to, there's no nuts on the back side of this, but as you see, they're in there. That one went much easier because I knew to have it shift it back a little bit, but even still, that's not bad at all. And you can't even see the hole right there, and the inside hole will be easy to fix. So, I'm pretty stoked. Now all I have to do is pull these off, tape them off, sand off the areas, and paint. And I have something that I need to paint as well for future. Yep, some of you may know, this is the e-brake. I need to paint all of this crap. So while I'm painting that, because that's all getting painted black anyways, I'll paint all the stuff that needs to be painted for there as well. But yeah, let me pull this stuff off and you guys get to watch me sand and hang it all up to get painted. Welcome back, guys. So, the first set of coats of paint are thrown down. Now I gotta come back in a day and lay the other set, and then it has to cure for a week, which will line us up perfectly for next week, me working on this again. But man, this is looking really good. I'm very happy with the results, and hopefully by then I'll fix the little hole, the extra hole. But I really do thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing, hit that like button, and comment down below if you have any questions or tell me what you thought about the video. Have a good one, guys. Peace.